Hello everyone. I just received my new pipes in the mail today from American Custom. These are the bombers. I've got the accessory kit, the mid-tone baffles or mid-range. Got the end caps. The other one's in this package. Got some new clamps. So we're going to attempt to install them on this '07 Yamaha Royal Star Tour Deluxe, which currently has the stock exhaust pipes on it. It's a little too quiet for me. I need a little bit of noise, so let's see what happens. Okay, and we're back. I've got the American Custom bomber pipes installed. Of course, these are Harley pipes, and I had to make some modifications on the brackets. It was no big deal. I'm going to go ahead and start her up and let you hear how she sounds. I think these pipes sound awesome. I haven't tried them without the mid-tone baffles in there. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But as far as I can see right now, I'll probably leave these mid-tones in. Sounds pretty good. I haven't driven it yet. I'll do that tomorrow or maybe the day before. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so I'll probably do it the day after.